Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry I didn't post for 2 weeks. I was preparing for my finals, but I'm done now and I'm on summer vacation and I'm so happy. So when I think of summer, I think of s'mores and spending time with family and friends. So I thought, let's make a s'mores dip in a pan, and it's perfect because it's s'mores, summer vibes, you know? And also it's just a perfect thing to share with your family, or if you have friends coming over, it's just the perfect party snack. So yeah, let's get started.
The ingredients you'll need will be 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, but I used Hershey bars instead because I just like Hershey chocolate a lot. 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 cups of marshmallows divided, so in one bowl I have 1.5 cups of marshmallows, and then in the other bowl I just have half a cup. So now in a saucepan on a medium-low heat, I am pouring in my chocolate and my 1.5 cups of marshmallows and the milk, and I'm stirring that all together until it's all combined and it's nice and smooth. So now I just poured my chocolate mixture into a plate, and I'm taking the remaining half cup of marshmallows. I did have to use some extra marshmallows, but I'm just putting those all around the plate. So now I just put my plate into the toaster oven and I broiled this for 1 minute or until the marshmallows are lightly toasted. And this is our beautiful finished s'mores dip. I love this. It looks so good. And this is just such a perfect party snack for your friends and family and for the summer. And to eat this, which I totally forgot to mention, you take some graham crackers and you just scoop it up. It's like chips and guacamole, but you're taking graham crackers.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!